Let's have some balloon fun on the Norwegian Breakaway.
Okay, ready? You have all of you have your sword? Yes! Put your sword up! Put your sword up! Yes, good job, guys. Thank you.
We made swords, y'all. Balloon animal swords.
All right, y'all. We just made swords. There we go. All right, y'all. We just made swords.
That's right. Sword. And we have neighbors that make swords. Yeah, your neighbors are making swords. That's
Our
right.
neighbors are making swords
This
too.
is their swords. Let's see those swords. Don't you wish that was your ex-husband?
I flicked my balloon at thee.
So, Robin, can you show us how to make that again?
I will show you how to make it.
Okay, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is going to show us how to make these balloon things.
Okay, so I think I'm on top knife. Let me see yours, Jen.
First, she's going to destroy my balloon, and then she's going to go get another one.
It's the non-sexual.
Okay, so now let's gonna start with the second.
The first thing you have to do is
One.
you pinch and twist
Okay,
3
so
times.
now we're gonna do
One,
the poppy.
2,
Okay?
now you fold and twist.
Look,
3.
this is different, right? And the other one.
3. Now the
So we're gonna take
non-sexual
a
event.
little bit of this side, and we're gonna pinch, squeeze
Then
3
you're going
times
to straighten it out because it
We're gonna
cannot look
fold.
to the left.
until we have one part of the poppy.
That
And
is your
then-
sword.
We're gonna fold,
And there you go. That's how you make the balloon.
pinch,
Sword.
squeeze 3 times, 3, and now we got the head. Head, and here you have mouth, right? Now we're gonna get the neck, okay? So I'm gonna put like 3 fingers, and pinch, squeeze 3 times, and we got the neck. Have you seen? Okay, so now we're gonna fold, we're gonna take 2 fingers of the balloon, pinch, fold, and twist 3 times. And now we got 1 leg. So now we're gonna do the body. We're gonna take this part of the balloon, we're gonna pinch, squeeze 3 times, and we're gonna hold, and this is the body of the puppy. So now we're gonna fold again, pinch, and twist 3 times to get the other leg. Have you seen? And you get here the puppy face. Okay, so if you want to do a fancy puppy, let's
Chihuahua.
press here, and we got a fancy puppy like this. Yay! Ready? Are you ready to do it?
Well, I made myself a handicapped dog. He's only got 1 leg for the back, 2 legs in the front, and his ears, I think I got closed in the door. But I'm calling him E.T. We all know why. What about you, Bruce? How's yours look?
Oh, mine looks a little, well, the front legs are a little bit bigger than the back, but so he's kind of cyclops.
Wow, we got mutant dog animals over here, don't we?
What do we? What, Robin?
I got a poodle,
Are you?
but his front legs are a little too short.
Yeah,
So he's a bowing. He's
a
bowing.
And Cindy, what do you got?
He's a handicap.
I got, my legs go up.
What?
Yes. My legs are going up.
We got some handicapped dogs over here, y'all.
There you go.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing? That's amazing.
Isn't that amazing? I created this. This
All
is
right,
my creation.
we're having so much fun here, and this was the balloon twisting workshop.
Yes.
Oh,
We needed a workshop for
we
sure.
did, absolutely. This was a blast.
Handicap dog. Brr, brr, brr. That's how he barks. Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you broke your dog. Here, you can have mine.
At least I gave you one.
Yes, see, I got the perfect one right here. That's a Chihuahua.
Yeah, look at there. Look at that one.
It's a Chihuahua.
That's a Chihuahua. Hi, Chihuahua.
Hi, Chihuahua. Hi, Chihuahua.
We had a great time at the balloon twisting workshop on the Norwegian Breakaway, and we think you will too. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.